Hey there. I'm going to do a video this week because there's a lot going on, and to clarify some potential questions, I thought I'd just try to explain it myself. So, first off, we have the Chapter 4, Section 3 quiz. We'll be doing that in class. So, on Wednesday or Friday, it's still going to be open book, but we're going to be doing it in class just so that way, if you have questions or um, there's certain ways that I might want you to look up information in your textbook, and the easiest way to do that is if we're all in the same room together. If you are a distance learner, it will be posted on Monday and it will be due on Friday. So that's only for my full distance learners. Next, we have kind of our standard. There's only 3 sections this week for our textbook reading. So it talks a lot about the achievements of ancient Egypt. And so both the reading and the questions will be posted on Monday, due on Friday. I'm going to move this little part over here so you can see that. In class, we'll be doing doodle notes. Again, this will be our 3rd and final installment of those. And please remember to bring colored pencils. Distance learners, I will be posting it on Classroom much as I have the first 2 parts. So that will be done. Everybody has the Common Lit Egypt's Pyramids. We are going to be starting to talk about the pyramids during our in-class time taking doodle notes. So I am supplementing that with an article from Common Lit, which is, again, posting Monday, due on Friday. So you have the entire week to do that. If it's me, before I start reading section 4, so before I start doing this part up here, let me get a pointer. Before I do this, I would do this first. Notice that this is section 3. So this is what you read about last week. It is not what you're reading this week. And I think that might have been a point of confusion the last time you did this. So I would start out your week, if you are a distance learner, with this. If you're in class, well, then it's just up to me and when you show up. But if you're a distance learner, I would highly recommend doing the section 3 quiz first before starting your reading. It'll just avoid a lot of questions that way. So, Common Lit Egypt's Pyramids. And now we are down to the Ancient Egypt Project. I'm going to post the instructions on Monday. Notice that it is due December 9th. So that is after the fall break. When we return, if you are in Wednesday class, it is due on December 9th. If you are in Friday class, it is due December 11th, because you will be presenting or singing or showing us what you have created at that time. For my distance learners, our distance learners, you don't belong to me. It will be due on December 11th, and I will create a Flipgrid option for you. So that way you can demonstrate to us what your project has been. And I'm going to be dedicating our meeting time on Wednesdays and Fridays to answer questions and kind of introduce the project and see, like, if you need help or some guidance on where to look for information or how to do things like bibliography. So this is kind of a research style report, and it's going to need to meet the standards of a full 6th grade best work. We're doing these projects instead of a test. So rather than doing, a standard open book test here in class and complete silence, you can do something like make a pyramid or a mummy and a sarcophagus, or you can do a report on a pharaoh, or you could make one of the masks. Or what was the other option? Oh, that's right. You could write and perform a rap and or song. So trying to get as many different options out there for you as possible. As always, if you have questions of me, you know how to reach me most reliably on Google Classroom or email. Take care.